Are you ready to invest, but you're not quite sure where to start? Imagine living for almost free, building wealth, and learning the ropes of real estate, all with one smart move. Welcome to the world of house hacking. House hacking is one of the best kept secrets for new investors. The strategy is simple: buy a multi-unit property, live in one unit, and rent out the others. Your tenants are going to help you pay mortgage while you grow equity and learn the ins and outs of property management. Start small, think duplexes and triplexes. With an FHA loan, you can sometimes invest with as little as 3.5% down. Screen your tenants carefully and know your local landlord laws. Your future self is going to thank you. Actionable tips for you: research neighborhoods with strong rental demand, estimate your monthly rental income and expenses, and please be realistic. Make sure your lease protects you and your property. Network with experienced house hackers and join local investment groups. As always, I'm Shannon, here to educate and navigate, not speculate and fabricate. And if you're ready to start building wealth with your first house hack, reach out today. Let's invest smart together.